Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Miss. We are the Group 12 and we are going to report LUA programming language. My name is Jessamine P. Caballero and we will tackle about what is LUA. LUA, an introduction to the programming language. The name LUA comes from the Portuguese word from moon. This programming language can be extended independently of the platform. Its small size of just 120 kilobytes and high speed set it apart, which is reason enough to take a closer look at this scripting language.
My name is Rodilio C. Martinez, BScs 3B. This is the story of LUA. LUA was created in 1992 by Roberto Jerusalem C., Luis Enrique de Figueiredo, and Waldemar Siles, members of Computer Graphics Technology Group, TGRAP, at the Pontifical Catholic University of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. From 1977 until 1992, Brazil had a policy of strong trade barriers called a market reserve for computer hardware and software. In that atmosphere, TGRAP clients could not afford either politically or financially to buy some customized from abroad. Those reasons led TGRAP to implement the basic tools if needed from scratch. LUA's predecessor were the data description configuration language, simple object language, and data enter language. They had been independently developed at TGRAP in 1992-1993 to add some flexibility into two different projects. Both were interactive graphical program for engineering application at Petrobras company. There was a lack of any flow structure and simple language and data entry language, and Petrobras felt a growing need to add full programming power to them.
Proponent of LUA programming. LUA programming was created by Roberto Jerusalemski, Luis Henrique de Figueiredo, and Waldemar Siles, members of the Computer Graphics Technology Group, or TechGraph, in 1992 at the Pontifical Catholic University of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil.
Syntax. LUA combines simple procedural syntax with powerful data description constructs based on associative arrays and extensible semantics. The host program can invoke function to execute a piece of LUA code, can write and read LUA variables, and can register C functions to be caused by LUA code. A LUA identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, or any other user-defined item. An identifier starts with a big letter A to Z or a small letter A to Z, or an underscore followed by 0 or more letters, underscores, and digits 0 to 9. Keywords. The following list shows few of the reserved words in LUA. These reserved words may not be used or constant or any other identifier names. And, else if, function, nil, return, while, break, and, if, not, then, do, false, or, in, through, else, for, local, repeat, until.
Good day everyone, my name is Christian Riosora and I will demonstrate on how to add two numbers by using LUA programming language. First is we need to type the IO dot write and enter the first number. And the next line is the num1, which is the first number that you will be entered, equals to IO dot read star n. By the way, the star n means select all numbers that you have entered here in the IO right. Yeah, you have to fix this. Next is for the second number. Enter the second number. Same process for the second number. Select everything that you have entered here in this third line. So since the problem is adding two numbers, and we will use the operation addition. Is equals to num1 plus sign num2 IO dot write the name of the operation that you will be using is addition. Backslash n means, the meaning of backslash n is for a new line. Now we have to try to run this here. For example, we have to enter 5 here, and the second number is 5 also. And as you can see here, the total is 10. And we have a little problem here. The 10 is closer to, or don't have any space, so we will fix this and run again. And 5 here. And if you want to use different operation for this problem, just copy this just copy, paste, and just change the name of the operation. Let's try multiplication. Here also. For the division, we will change. Also here, the last operation, the subtraction. And let's try this. We'll enter and we will enter 10, for example, for the first number, and 5 for the second number. And as you can see here, guys, addition is equals to 15, multiplication is 50, division is 2, subtraction here you have to fix the plus sign, change to the subtraction, and run it again. Then 5 for the second number, and here 15, 52, and 5. That's all, guys. Thank you.